Okay, what I have here is my 1998 GMC 6500 tool truck. Has a 20-foot bed or 20-foot box on it, and I just want to take a quick look around the outside of it, and then we'll head inside and show you a little bit of that as well. It's got the Caterpillar 3116 motor. You can hear it running now. It runs like a top. I've not had a minute's trouble with it. And again, we'll take a quick walk around the outside of it. It's in excellent shape for a 1998 truck. Ready to go. It's decaled, labeled out for Cornwell tools, and ready for someone to put inventory in and go. As to my knowledge, there's nothing else needed for it. It's ready to hit the street running. And let's take a quick walk around the outside. Has double doors on the rear and has the lift gate. All operates perfectly well. Try to stand back so you can get a good view of it. And again, down the side, I'll back up a little further so you can see down the side. Excellent shape for a 1998 tool truck. Here's the exhaust. No smoke. Again, you can hear it run. Tires are in excellent shape. I don't know how good of a view you can get. They have excellent tread left on them. The rear ones are brand new. They have about less than 2,000 miles on them. The front, I believe, probably have no more than 2,000 or 3,000 miles on them. Batteries are good as far as for the cab. Here's a view of the rear tires. See if I can get in here so you can see the tread on that. Excellent tread on that. And let's head inside. Here's what you're going to see when your customers are going to see when they come up. Has a display case here as you walk in, and then shelving. The small shelf right here can be removed to put a pretty large box in there. It runs that whole length. Shelves for your catalogs. Has really good lighting, hammer rack, creeper storage. The roof has tons of space for all of your inventory. It does have a walk-through. More of a crawl. It's not a full height one, but definitely plenty of room to get in and out between the cab and the box. And has the desk there with your control panel for all your lights and outlets. Plenty of drawers. And the AC, I actually never had a chance to use the AC. It was in working order when I bought the truck. Unfortunately, I haven't had it very long, so give you a good view front to rear. Again, it's a 20-foot box. Nice display case for knives or whatever. Second little case there. Shelving, floor to ceiling. Has the top row on both sides has tip ups. All these tip for lots of storage. This truck has tons of storage for an older truck. Again, you have the double doors. We have a spot back here for a little bit smaller box that runs right there. It does have diamond plate for under the box. The double doors to the rear. Another little spot for a nice little box over here. About 46. I know we had a 46-inch box in there, and we had a service cart on this side, so plenty of room for that. Again, we have some tip-ups here. Several magnets, they all come with it. Have some drawers here as well. If I can get you a good look at that. Another drawer here. And here's storage for creepers. This is the locking door that goes in front of the box in case you need to get it serviced. You want to secure the back of the truck. You've got the ability to do that with the cover there. Diamond plate on the flooring. There's the heater for the box. It is hot water heat, engine heat, so no furnace or generator to mess with. And that's basically the inside of the truck. Again, thanks for taking a look. Goodbye.